What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we're making barbecue jerk chicken stovetop style in the kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. Goodie, make sure to subscribe if you have not already and turn that post notification on so you will always know when I upload brand new videos. And for all of my returning goodies, oh no, don't know, say my love or no. When I'm ready for cook, come on, let's cook.
Look what prayer can do. Hypocrite and bad mind must slow. The same out what cheer for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah. Prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
Okay, goodies, come on, let's cook. Now we have our chicken legs and thighs here that has already been washed nice and clean with salt, lemon juice, and of course vinegar. You want to make sure you wash your chicken and make sure you clean up any hidden suspects that may be hidden on that chicken. Now I did put slits into the chicken, okay, because I want when I season it, it goes right through and through down into the bone. All right, so let me show you the seasons of choice that we decided to go with. Now here in a container I'm adding some salt, and then I'm going to add some black pepper here. After the black pepper comes the onion powder and the garlic powder. Now I did decide to go with some dried thyme here. If you're going to use regular thyme, please remove the stems from it, all right, and just add the leaves in. Then I went in for some all-purpose seasoning. Any one of your choice will do. I added some chicken seasoning because we are making chicken here. Then I added some dried pepper flakes, just a tad bit to kick it up a notch, not too much. Then I added some paprika for color. Then to the paprika I added some garlic. Garlic is a must, you can't cook without that. Then of course you want to go in with your favorite jerk season, and you can make that from scratch. I have a homemade one. I will list that down below for you guys. All right, now this is the star of the show, your barbecue. You're going to go in with your favorite barbecue sauce. It doesn't matter what kind of barbecue sauce you have, just go ahead and add that, and add a tad bit of browning. You could add soy sauce for color. Okay, all you're going to do here is just give it a good mix. Make sure that your seasoning is combined well, and this is how it should look. If it looks like that, then you did something right. You're going to have the most tasty, delicious jerk chicken, barbecue jerk chicken on your stovetop. Yes, you may be saying, how you gonna make jerk chicken on your stovetop? Goodie, me I gonna show you just how. Okay, we're gonna fool the multitude. Now all you're gonna do here is just pour out your sauce, and look how it look nice. Yes, just go ahead and pour it out on top of your chicken. And y'all, if you don't want to use legs and thighs to the recipes, you could use wings, you could use breast, use whatever part of the chicken that you choose to use. All right, just go ahead and just massage, let's say, the seasonings into the legs and thighs. All right, such as this. Go ahead and do that. And I did decide to let the chicken sit for about a good 35 minutes. Now if you don't want to do that, you could let it sit for a little longer. You could even let it sit overnight, but me, honey, I'm always on the run, you don't know. So 30-35 minutes was good enough for me. All I did was just get my plastic wrap here. I wrapped it and I just let it sit out room temperature until I was ready to go. Now y'all, all the ingredients that I'm using for this recipe will definitely be listed down in the description, so go ahead and check it out. We just eyeball everything right, so as usual I did not measure anything, but I will list how much and what I use for the recipe. Now moving right along, I have my pan here, and I'm just going to add just a tad bit of oil here, not too much, maybe about 3 tablespoons of your favorite oil. Place the chicken in, skin down, please. All right, skin down, because we want the chicken to get a nice color here. After about 5 minutes or so, 7 minutes at a medium heat, you're going to have this color on the chicken. Okay, that is what we're trying to achieve here, because you want to mimic the color of the grill. All right, Now this kind of recipe is perfect for if it's cold outside and you don't want to use the grill, all right, or you just don't want to go in the oven. This is perfect. Trust me, goodie. I do it all the time, and believe me, nobody don't know say it never go up on the grill or in the oven. Okay. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and pour out the remainder of the sauce. Once you turn the chicken on the other side, just pour out all your marinade on the chicken here. This is where the cooking really starts to turn up, and the smell, honey, is nothing to play with. Okay, just don't waste that sauce that you marinate the chicken in. Go ahead and cover it up, and your fire here is still at a medium heat. After about 7 minutes or so, you come back. It is going to start to form some really natural juices from the chicken. That is what it's going to look like. You're going to go ahead and turn it on the other side because you want it to have the flavor, okay? That sauce right there is some good tasting flavor here. Just go ahead and just turn it if you have to. Make sure that it's cooked evenly, thoroughly, with your fire at a medium heat, okay? Now, after we have done that, and honey, trust me, the thing is amazing. Smelling amazing, okay? Just be sure you don't have your fire on high heat because you do not want it to cook too fast, and you definitely don't want to burn it. Now, I'm going to kick it up a notch because husband and friends want to have that extra tad of spice. So I did make slits into the pepper, and then I added about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Do not add white sugar to the recipe, y'all. You're not gonna ruin it if you add white sugar. Use brown sugar only, or you could use maple syrup if that's what you like, but you need some kind of a sweetener. Now I did go in and add some more barbecue sauce to the mix here, and again I will list everything that I use for the recipe. That is what you will have thus far. Cover it up, come back within the next 5 minutes or so. When you come back within 5 minutes, it's going to produce more moisture. Now, if your chicken does not do that, please go ahead and add a little bit of water, okay? Now, I did go in and add the vinegar when the thing has since simmered just like that. So that way it just bursts in flavor with that good apple cider vinegar. Then I went back and turned it over. As you can see what the sugar did to it. The sugar helped to caramelize the sauce and also gave the chicken a beautiful real color. But the difference is, honey, when you talk about juicy, alright, you saw it there. Alright, so we go ahead and we just turn it. So that way that juice will get on the other side of the chicken. You want to turn your stove down this time to a low heat and allow it to simmer, honey. Listen, let me tell you something. This something smells so good. I did go back and had just a slight little bit of water, not a lot because husband said he wanted gravy, a lot of gravy, not too much though here, but I did add some water to it, and that was it. Now to finish it up, I had some parsley, dried parsley, and it was done. Okay, it was done. That is how simple it is to mimic the grill barbecue jerk chicken on your stovetop any day of the week, honey. Winter time, now have nothing per week, we're gonna eat jerk chicken inside of the house same way. Now, goodie, this is one of those fast, easy, and simple recipe that you just have to give it a try. I guarantee you will be blown away by the flavor of this recipe. All right, I mean, you could still taste the jerk season in it. You could still taste the flavor of like a grill flavor. Yes, boo, it is even better than the grill, but you don't know something after showing how it look. All right, when you're chopping at it, honey, pan the grill, not have nothing pan this a chicken right here. So it is cooked right through and through, and not only is it cooked goodie, but the thing is so divine, nice and moist and juicy and just perfect. perfect for any settings. You have to give this recipe a try. Look at that, y'all. Just take a look at that. That chicken is moist on the inside and filled with nothing but glorious jerk barbecue flavor all up on the inside. Yes, boo. Turn up. Just make sure, say, y'all give your girl a thumbs up on this video, boo, and share it with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend, because this a jerk chicken on the stovetop is no ordinary jerk chicken. You don't know good at the thing massive. Now also don't forget to thumbs up the video. I said that already. Don't forget to turn the notification on, because your girl have a look. Now I did make some carrot juice for the recipe as well. I did not show it on camera. However, I'm going to list a carrot juice recipe also down in the description, so go ahead and follow that recipe if you want to know how to make your Jamaican carrot juice from homemade from scratch. But alright, I said the goodie. Barbecue jerk chicken on the stovetop. Fast, easy, and simple with rice and peas, steamed vegetables, cucumber, and tomatoes. Ready. Alright? Yes, right there. Now, good. That is it for now. Please don't forget to share all this good love with everybody. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Go tell them up the road. Tell the girl down the street. But spread the love good and share it out for yourself. And when you get done doing all of that, tell me what you would like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!